Hi, hi, everyone. How are you? Yeah. Good afternoon. Why very less students today? Arey yaar. People say that you start the classes but won't come to the classes. Okay, very good. Right. So, how are you all? Everyone, how are you? Right. So, all of you had your lunch. Everyone had your lunch or not? All of you. Yeah. Good afternoon, Naveen. Right. All PYQs of the civil engineering. Part 3 alignment and cross section elements, and also which one will be starting? We'll be starting that SSD also, right? SSD comma HSD also will start, right? If possible, right? Now, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everybody is ready to crack, all of you? Everybody get ready to crack. So, what is the referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, and you recommend it to your friends always, right? Because tomorrow is the last day for this offer, all of you. Don't miss this opportunity, everyone. So this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy, no? Right. Yeah, not send in group, but you check it in community tab, right? Community post I have made now. So no, are you checking my community? Educator community, and in my status also I have kept. So that is where you have to check regularly, right? If anywhere missing na, you will find it in the community definitely, right? In the communities educator community tab, definitely you will be finding any link. Okay, right. So now at present this offer is going on, right? What is that offer, all of you, everyone? So what is that offer going on, right? You can save up to which one? This is 52% on your subscription amount, right? You can save up to which one? This is 52% on your subscription amount. And what is that a referral code you have to use always? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use now, isn't it? So 6 months if you are taking, that is 2 months extra. 12 months if you are taking, 3 months extra. 24 months if you are taking, 4 months extra, you will be getting like that. Okay. So depending upon the requirement, you take the subscription and avail this offer, right? Tomorrow will be the last date for this offer, all of you, right? Tomorrow will be which one? This is the last date for this offer. So before this offer is going to expire, you subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe, right? And November 30th, this new batch is going to start, everyone. November 30th, this new batch is going to start, right? What is there in this new batch, you can say? So polity will be started, right? That general studies polity will be started by Amit Vijay sir at 8 a.m., right? Every day you will be having those classes at which time? 8 a.m. you will be having those classes, all of you, right? And KP sir will be starting which one? This is fluid mechanics at 11 a.m., right? KP sir is going to start fluid mechanics at 11 a.m. Amit Vijay sir is starting which one? This polity at this 8 a.m., right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Now, AAI, Airport Authority of India Junior Executive, also this 4 month subscription you can get. Okay, so these are the things related to that, and these are the educators for that, you can say. So these are the features, right? What is the referral code you have to use every time? RP Civil is a code you have to use. Okay, so these are the features for this plus subscription whenever you are taking it, right? So RP Civil is a code you have to use, right? On this also we'll be getting which one? This 42%, 43% discount. So these are all which one? SSC JE 2023 toppers from paper 1, right? Selectors, right? These are SSC JE State AE 2022 toppers. Right now, coming to this, our discussions. How many questions we are done? So this is highway alignment and this cross sectional elements we are doing now. 45 questions. I think 45th question is done, or we are doing 45th question also. 45th question is done or not done, all of you? I think 45th question is over now. 45th question is over. Right now tell me which question we have to go for. This 46th question we have to go for. Yesterday 45th question is over. Yeah, 46th question I'll be starting. So but now I'll be giving 45 seconds because YouTube people also will be there now. YouTube people also will be there, right? So it will be some 5-6 seconds lag will be there for them. So that's why I'll be giving 45 seconds now, right? Select the answer of you. 45 seconds, one sec. Time I'm giving. Yashwant, Sanjay. Answered correctly. What about the others? Right. So what is it? You can say everyone answer. Camber in the road is provided for, right? Camber in the road is provided for which purpose? You can say if you just observe, it is mainly for this drainage purpose. No, yes or no? Is there any other purpose of this camber? No other purpose of this camber, right? Camber is mainly for this which purpose? You can say drainage purpose, right? Try to select the answer for this 47th question of you. 47th question also. Try to select the answer, everyone. All of you had your lunch? Yes. Arey yaar, my class and KP sir class timing is getting clash. What should I do? You only I was taking in the morning 8:30 and you people asked me to take at 2 p.m. because early morning you are unable to wake up. Now I am taking 2 p.m. KP sir also taking 2 p.m. Right? What we'll do? The recommended camber for the waterborne macadam road is, right? What is the recommended camber? You can say for waterborne macadam. If you just observe, this is CC. So what is the CC payment, right? 1.7% to this 2%, and this is thin bituminous concrete, right? What is it? You can say that is 2% and this 2.5% now. And what is it for this waterborne macadam and this gravel? If you just observe, what is it for this waterborne macadam and this gravel, right? What is the value? That is your 2.5% and this 3% now. 2.5% is nothing but your 1 in 40. And what is the 3% if we just observe 1 in 33 now? So which one is the correct answer? Right? Option B will be the correct answer, and not everyone, right? So shall I move on to the next question of you? I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Try to select the answer of you. Adi, Yashwant, Sanjay answered correctly. What about the others? 75% only answered. What about the remaining? Cute fellows? Very good. So what is that? The camber for a hill road in case of this bituminous surface is adapted, right? So what is it? You can say hill road for bituminous surface, right? Bituminous means thin bituminous. We have to take it by default now. 2% and 2.5%, right? Now tell me, hill road is mentioned means there we can expect the heavy rainfall or light rainfall. Light rainfall or heavy rainfall we can expect. Tell me. Hill means heavy rainfall we can expect. Na? It is not mentioned, but we have to take it like that only, right? Because in case of this hill portions, right, rainfall activities will be more or less. Rainfall activities will be more or less in case of these hill roads, everyone, right? Rainfall activities will be more definitely, na? Rainfall activities will be more definitely, you can say, isn't it? Now coming to this, right? So shall we move to the next question, 49th question of you. I'll be moving on to this 49th question. Try to select the answer. Same, it is repeated only. Those are state exams over. These are SSC JE exams, no? Yeah, Sunil Kumar from YouTube answered correctly. Yeah, Adi, Yashwant, Sanjay, Naveen answered correctly from special class. %, correct answer, right? This is repeated, right? Now you understood. Previously this question came, you know the answer. Now if it is repeated, it will be easy to answer, na? Perfectly you can answer, na? That is the reason we are telling many times that you have to practice PYQs, practice PYQs, practice PYQs, right? If any question repeated or any numerical model repeated, you can answer quickly, na? Yes or no? So that is what, right? Almost will be repeated. Now many of the questions will be repeated manner only or not? Is not. So if it is a theoretical question, repeated, many times repeated, right? If it is a numerical question, model may be repeated, right? If you are thorough with the model or if you are thorough with the concept, right, it will be over or not? Yes, absolutely. Now shall go to the next question, 58th question of you. Right, let's try to select the answer. 58th question. What is the answer for this 50th question, everyone? Yeah, Sunil Kumar answered correctly. So what is that? Pick up the incorrect statements from the following, right? The width of this right of way is decided to accommodate, right? Pick up the incorrect statement, right? Incorrect statement means the width of this right of way is decided, right? So what is that right of way? If you just observe right of way, so if you just observe, this is your carriageway, na central, this is your center line portion. From here to here it is your carriageway, right? And the left side and the right side of this carriageway, right, what is that you are having? So this is your shoulder, na, this is your shoulder, you consider. This is also which one? This is shoulder, you consider, right? So carriageway plus shoulder together, right, what it is called as? It is called as your formation width, right? And this is your road boundary you are having, that is your R by B is nothing but your road boundary, right? So what is that distance between this road boundary lines, right? That is your land width, you can say, or you can also call it as which one? This is right of way. So this right of way is based on which one? Formation width. Yes, absolutely. More formation width means more right of way, more amount of land we had to acquire, na? Horizontal curve, yes. Sight distance on the horizontal curve, if you just observe, whenever you are considering, so what is it you can say? If you just observe, this is your which one? This is your which one? So if the sight distance is lesser, na, what happens, right? You require visibility up to this point only. But if the sight distance is higher, na, right, what happens, you can say? If the sight distance is higher, right, what happens, you can say, if you just observe. So more width we have to acquire, na. So horizontal curve is influencing or not? Yes, horizontal curve is influencing definitely, right? Side slope values also, if you are taking some lesser slope value, okay, that is fine, right? Suppose if you are taking some other slope value, this is higher slope. If you are taking lesser slope value, flat one, if you are taking more width we have to acquire, na. Higher slope less width, flatter slope more width, right? That is influencing or not? Definitely. So vertical curve is not influencing, right? Because vertical curve is present in the horizontal direction or vertical curve is present in the vertical manner. Vertical curve is present in the vertical direction. So how it can influence the things in the horizontal direction? It cannot. Is it clear? It cannot influence, right? Now coming to this, right? Shall we move to the next question, all of you? Right, select the answer. Right. 51st question. Yeah, Sunil Kumar from YouTube answered correctly. Yashwant, Navin and Sanjay from special class answered correctly. What about the others? Right, so this is leaderboard. So what is it you can say? So what is the value of this lateral coefficient of this friction as per IRC, right? Which one? 0.15 is the lateral coefficient of friction you are having now. Is that no? So shall we move to the next question of you? So try to select the answer. Yeah, Sunil Kumar answered correctly. Naveen Yashwant Sanjay answered from special. So, what is the instrument used to measure the longitudinal coefficient of this friction rate? Coefficient of friction means how can you measure? You can say coefficient of friction is based on the roughness, na? So, coefficient of friction means that coefficient of friction will be based on the roughness or not, yes or no? So, how can you measure this roughness? You can say that is your rugometer will be using and also bump integrator, right? Yes, no? These will be used for measuring the roughness. Once you know the roughness, you know the friction behavior or not, obviously, right? Isn't it? No. Select the answer for this 53rd question. Yeah, Sunil Kumar answered correctly. Yes, from special, Sanjay Yashwant Naveen answered correctly. Right. So here, so what is it you're having? Which of the following is a correct statement from the cross slope of this shoulder, right? What is that? It is a pavement 1% flatter than the cross slope of this pavement. So shoulder, cross slope of this shoulder means what? Cross slope is nothing but your camber of this shoulder, na? Camber of this shoulder is greater than or equal to which one? This is a camber of carriageway plus how much you can say plus a 0.5 percentage or not. So camber of shoulder will be taken as 0.5% higher than that of your carriageway or not. So what is it you can say? It is a 0.5% steeper than the cross slope of this pavement, right? Yes, na? So that is option C is the correct answer, right? So shall we move to the next question? 54th question of you. Shall we? Right. We'll be moving on to this. Right. Try to select the answer. 45 seconds time I am giving. Yashwant Sanjay Naveen answered correctly from special. Sunil Kumar also answered correctly from YouTube. See, from now onwards, you just check only in the community. If you are not finding anywhere in the groups, you will find the classes post in the community definitely, right? Okay. In that Unacademy app, my profile, in my profile, educator community will be there, na? Educator communities. In that, definitely you'll be finding my classes definitely, right? You just make them alerts, allow alerts, notifications, then you can find them, okay? If you're not finding in the group, because sometimes I may not be able to send in the groups, right? Due to time, lack of time. But definitely I'll be sending in which one this one, okay? So which of the following are correct values for this coefficient of lateral friction and this longitudinal friction, right? What is the coefficient of this lateral friction? Tell me. The coefficient of this lateral friction is equal to the 0.15. And what is the coefficient of this longitudinal friction? Anybody do you remember? That will be varying from this 0.35 to this 0.4, na? So, so 0.35 is for which one? Sorry, least value is for which one? This is speed is greater than or equal to which one? This is 80 kmph. So this is for which one? 0.4 is for which one? Speed is lesser than or equal to which one? This is 30 kmph, na? So these are the values, right? So which one is the correct answer? 0.15. First one is lateral friction, 0.15. 0.15 and this is 0.35 are the answers, right? Is now? Is it clear? Is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, shall I go for this? I'll be going for this, right? Select the answer for this question, everyone. Yashwant and Naveen from special class answered correctly. Okay, check it. Which one? So just now we have shown na, yeah. Just now we have shown na what is that, right of a carriageway and shoulder and margins. So carriageway and shoulder, that's it, right? So this is comes to be here actually. That margins will come here actually. Okay. This is not there. This is there here. Okay. That is a typing mistake. I did not arrange them properly. Carriageway, shoulder and road margins, right? So that is carriageway and shoulder only. This is carriageway, shoulder and road margins, right? Which one is correct now? Option B will be correct now, right? Yeah, Sunil Kumar, I know, I understood why you answered that one. Yes, now B is correct now. Yes, no? So is it clear, everyone? So we'll be going for which one? This is the next. You can say if you just observe. What is that? Select the answer. Yeah, Sunil Kumar correct only. Yashwant Sanjay Naveen also answered correctly only. Yeah, correct only. So shall I give 30 seconds only? I think 45 seconds for YouTube also it is becoming more it seems. Okay. Shall I give 30 seconds only time? Shall I? Okay. So what is that you can say? Is that okay, Sunil Kumar? 30 seconds. The portion of this roadway continuous with the travelled way and it is intended for accommodation of this stopped vehicle, right? Curbs, on the curb we cannot stop our vehicle, median we cannot stop. Carriageway, so it is along with the carriageway anadu. Along, it is given as along with the roadway, right? The portion of roadway continuous with the travelled way, right? Travelled way is nothing but your carriageway, na? Travelled way is nothing but your carriageway, right? Along with the carriageway, which one is present? So this is your carriageway you are having, right? This is your carriageway along with the carriageway shoulder. That shoulder is useful for which purpose you can say? Stopping the emergency vehicles, no? Yes or no? Stopping the emergency vehicles, it is useful or not? Yes, absolutely it is useful, you can say, right? Like that. So shall I move to the next question, 57th question of it? Try to select the answer. 30 seconds only time I am giving. Naveen Yashwant Sanjay answered from special and Sunil answered from YouTube correctly. So the longitudinal coefficient of friction for highway for calculation of this stop inside distance in geometry design is, it is 0.35 to this 0.4. Na? Just now we have mentioned this value. Na? Lateral friction coefficient is how much? Lateral friction coefficient will be 0.15, long term friction will be 0.35 to 0.4 is na? Right. So this is which one? Okay. Slide number 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 58th question you can say, right? What is that 58th question? Shall I go for this 58th question? Right. Select the answer of you. 30 seconds time I am giving. Yeah. What is it? Cross loop given to the payment for safe drainage of water is, right? For safe drainage of water, which one it is? Camber or shoulder? Which one it is? Camber only, no? Yes or no? Now select the answer from this all of you. Just observe. Actually, this question is given based on the old specifications. According to the recommendations of Nagpur conference, the width of this formation an ideal on an ideal national highway in a hard rock cutting, right? What is that a national highway in a hard rock cutting? If you just observe, so here I think these are the values, right? These are the old specification values, right? This is your old specification question. I don't know why they have given these old specifications questions, very old specifications questions, right? It is not even old, it is very old specifications questions, right? So this is 7.9 actually, right? What is that? These are the values, right? Formation with as per these recommendations of this IRC, very old, okay? Not even recent, very old. So what is it you can say? National limit state highway in plain area it is 12 meter. Hilly area, what is it you can say? In our class, what is that value I have given? 6.25 meter for this single lane and 8.8 meter for this two lane. Yes, no? Those are the values, right? But hilly area or this rock cutting, in case of this hilly or this hilly terrain, they have given, right? Yeah, it is the, yeah, what is this one you can say, right? The notes, in the class notes, whatever I said, right? Class notes I have said, no? Class. Uh, okay, our classes, plus classes, free classes, everywhere, whatever, wherever I have taken this topic, right? So 8.8 meter. Okay, you want me to send these values? Okay, I'll send these values, don't worry. So this one, what is it you can say? 6.25 meters for which one? This 6.25 meters for which one? Yeah, now it is not needed. 6.25 meters for this single lane and 8.8 meters for this double lane. So these were the different values, okay? Major district road also, these values are different now. Only for national highway only you are having the same value, right? Yeah, village road, these are same only. Village road same only. National highway, this plain terrain it is same, but remaining all values are different from the new specifications, right? Now these are not needed, okay? These are very old specifications, right? Not needed. I don't know why they have given like that. Which are not used, they have given in the examination, right? What we'll do? We are not using, but they are giving in the examination, right? Okay. Now, shall I move to the next question, 60th question? Right, I'll be moving on to this. This is also based on the old specification, not on the new specification. You have to be careful, okay? 60th question. This is also old specification. In 2018, Haryana people they have given. What I will do? Tell me. Very old specification. So I think the fellow who is giving the question paper, he might be having the very old IRC codes or very old textbooks, 1960s, 1970s textbooks, and he might be giving from that. But people are not cross-checked it. Okay. So these are not required nowadays, right? What is that? On recommendations of this Nagpur conference, the minimum width of this village road may be how much? What is the minimum width of this village road? 2.45 meters, right? Generally, what is that actually? Tell me. 2.45 meters as per which one? This is old, very old, not even old. Very old specifications, right? 1943 specifications, right? So, but yet present, what is it you can say? 3 meter is the new specification as per the new specification 3 or this 3.75, na? Got it? Village road. So, village road is given means the restrictions, okay, this one 3 meter you can say it. Yes, no? 3 meter as per the new specifications. Got it now? Now, shall we move on to the next question? 61 question all of you. Select the answer, right? This also they have given from that only. I think these Haryana people, they have copied simply from this SSC JE exam. That is why, okay? SSC JE they have given previously, and Haryana people, they have Haryana PSC, those who are giving the question paper, they are just copied from SSC 2016 question. So according to which one? According to the recommendations of this Nagpur conference, the width of this formation of an ideal, right? In a rock cutting, right? Whenever it is a hard rock cutting, it is 7.9 meter. We have to select it, right? Is now select the answer. Naveen Yashwant answered correctly. Yeah, Sunil also. What is your answer, Sunil, for the 62nd question? Sunil Kumar. Okay, I think. Instrument used to measure the roughness index, right? What is it you can say? Bump integrator, na? So, no, what is it you can say? Bump integrator, right? Roughness index is nothing but your which one? Roughness index or pavement unevenness or pavement roughness, right? All these are same, na? Roughness, that is only, pavement unevenness is only called as your roughness. And there is a relation between this international roughness index and this roughness index of India, okay? Which one? Which one is better? Tell me. So by default one we have to select, right? A camera and a payment is provided, right? Provided means the final value which we have to select now. Parabolic, straight line, straight and this parabolic at crown, right? You may get it out, sir. Parabolic, straight line and straight and parabolic at a crown, right? But which one is preferred? Tell me. But which one is preferred? Tell me. Which one is preferred? Tell me. So straight and parabolic is preferred, but okay, here it is provided means, yeah, here it is provided is given means you can select this D as the answer. Yes, is correct. You can select D as the answer. Okay, right. Yeah, I thought it is preferred. I did not see that. I thought it is preferred, but provided. Okay, provided means you can go for this anything. So 64th question. Shall we move on to? Right, let us select the answer. What is that? So roughness index for the road is expressed as, right? What is it? Roughness, pavement unevenness, or this pavement roughness, right? What is it you can say? That is your pavement unevenness, or you can also call it with which name, or you can also call it as which one? This is roughness or a roughness index. Pavement unevenness or this roughness, or which one? This is a roughness index, you can say, right? How can you get that? So sum of this rises and falls we have to add it now. Sum of this rise and fall divided by which one? This is length, you can say, right? So cumulative rise and fall per unit length, right? So that is given in the centimeters per this kilometer or millimeter per this kilometer. Now everyone, centimeters per kilometer or this millimeters per this kilometer, you can say it like that. Is it? Now shall I move to the next question? 65th question. Try to select the answer of you. 65th question. Select the answer of you. So what is it? In maximum width of this vehicle is usually fixed and followed. The vehicle width affects all the pavement design considerations following except width of this traffic lane, width of this carriageway is influenced by the width of this vehicle, definitely or not? Yes or no? Width of this carriageway is based on the width of this critical vehicle only, no? Yes or no? Yes, that is correct. Shoulder, yes. Width of this shoulder also will be decided based on the width of this which one? This vehicle, right? Why? Because shoulder is used for emergency stopping, emergency landing, emergency parking. So when you wanted to use it for the emergency parking, so it should be based on the width of this vehicle, definitely or not. Without considering the width of the vehicle, if you provide whatever the shoulder you want, can you expect your vehicle to stop there comfortably? Your vehicle may not be able to stop there comfortably, right? Parking facilities, yes. So parking, when you are going for this now, so width of this vehicle is important. Based on that only, the bay width of this bay we have to select now. Without considering the width of this vehicle, can you decide the width of this bay? No, it is impossible, right? What is that you can say? Drainage layer? No. In the drainage layer, how width of this vehicle is useful? It is not useful, no? It is not useful, you can say, right? Got it now? Drainage layer is not useful there, right? So shall we move to the next question? 66th question. Select the answer. Yes, correct, Sunil. Right? What is that? Okay, okay. Rumble strips, right? So have you heard these rumble strips anytime? Rumble strips are preferred on a main road, and what they will do, they will reduce the speed on the roads, right? So they will reduce the speed on the roads, right? These are the rumble strips, you can say. Okay, have you observed these rumble strips, everyone? These rumble strips on the bridges you can find, right? This is a bridge. On the bridge you can find continuously wherever speed is to be reduced, is not? So this kind of strips also on the highway. Have you observed this? These are not like, which one? This is a speed breaker. So compared to speed breaker, they are having lesser height, right? You will not be stuck. Whenever it is a speed breaker, now you have to reduce the speed to very low value, 5 kmph. Just sometimes you may be reducing the speed to 0 and cross the speed breaker. But these rumble strips are continuously provided but small height. So that what will happen? You will be reducing our speed by looking at this now. So what is the main purpose of this rumble strips, everyone? Incorporate changes in the pavement texture, or produce noise and physical sensation, reduce the speed of these roads, provide a number of humps on the road, right? So rumble strips are provided as they reduce, right? Rumble strips are nothing but is mentioned, D is the answer, right? Rumble strips looks like means number of humps on the road, right? That is your rumble strip. But what is the purpose now? What is the purpose is asked in the question, right? Purpose is asked in the question means D is the answer or C is the answer? Tell me. C is the answer, na? Is it clear? This is a new term you are getting, is na? Now you understood importance of this PYQ solving, right? You will be exposed to every term which you did not study in your preparation also. Okay, that is what. Shall I go for the next? Select the answer. 67th question. What is the answer? Naveen, Sanjay, Yashwant answered correctly from special. Yeah. Sunil also answered from YouTube. I started taking these classes for SSC JE, state AE JE subscribers, those who are preparing for, but those who are having this SSC JE subscription, nobody is coming. But those who are completed GATE and those who are preparing for state exams, are coming. So that is the tragedy. They took subscription, but nobody was coming to the class. What is it? Yeah, the road roughness is measured using which one? This the roughness of this road is measured using this bump integrator only, na? Using this bump integrator only, we'll be measuring this road roughness. You can say it like that. Shall we move to the next one? So you have to be careful, right? You observe ABCD, which one is ABCD, and select the answer properly. Even in GATE also they did not give this question, but here in this exam they have given. You have to be careful. Right, Sanjay Naveen answered correctly. Right, what is that? In urban areas, when the volume of the cycle traffic is higher, minimum width provided for the cycle track is, right. So what is it? Do you remember everyone? Width of cycle track. What is the width of this cycle track, everyone? Width of this cycle track is 2 meter for what? Single lane. 2 meter for this single lane, and it is 3 meter for which one? This is 2 lane, and 4 meter for which one? This is 3 lane, isn't it? 4 meter for this 3 lane, and it will be taken as which one? This n plus 1 meter for how many lanes? N plus 1 meter for this n lane of cycle track, right? Is not? So here minimum width means we have to go for this single lane only, no? For single lane, how much it will be? 2 meters only, no? Is that no? Right. I think 26. This is 26th question we are doing. Is it so? Right. Select the answer, everyone. Sixty-ninth question. So with the 3 more questions, the cross-section alignments and highway alignment questions gets over, right? So next we'll be having this SSD, stopping side distance, yeah, SSD, HSD. So that will start in next class, or we'll do some questions today itself until 1 hour completed. Okay. Next class. Okay. So, okay, let us complete this topic. Okay, that we'll do in the next class then. So as per IRC 73/1980, the width of this carriageway for double lanes, right? How much with riser curb? With riser curb, how much it will be? Right. Yes, 7.5. Without curb, right? Without curb, what is it? 7 meters, right? So tomorrow it is not there. Day after tomorrow it is there. Tomorrow that structure analysis crash course I am doing now. Tomorrow that structure analysis crash course I will be doing. Right? Tomorrow and after tomorrow. Right? 24th now today. 25th and 26th I will be doing which one? Tomorrow I will be doing this structure analysis crash course wala at 2 p.m. and the next class will be this one, right? One day this one day that one, right? So that both will be covered continuously, simultaneously. No. So select the answer of you here. This is alignment wala question, okay? Alignment related question this is. Vishwant Naveen answered correctly from special. Right. Okay. SCA is there. Yes, tomorrow SCA is there. Structure analysis class will be there. Because just introduction to structures we are doing now. That supports we are discussing now. So equilibrium equations we started discussing. That will continue. Again day after tomorrow this will be there. Okay. Is this timing okay or 2 p.m. or shall I change the time? Because it is this video get stuck? Is that video get stuck, everyone? For other YouTube, I think no. Pat Cummins, no. I am checking in my mobile. YouTube, not get stuck. Okay. This time only okay, or because it's a KP sir is also taking it this time, I should shift the class. The cross sections of a highway is taken at right angles to the center line. So this is your center line of this road which will mark, right? Center line of this road which will mark, right? What happens, you can say the cross sections will be taken at this place only, perpendicular to this center line or parallel to the center line. So this is cross section, this is cross section at each and every location. Cross section at each and every location or not along the width perpendicular to the length, you can say is that is cross section. Correct only, no? Yes, intermediate points have abrupt changes in the gradient, right? Whenever there is a sudden change in the gradient you are having, there we have to change the cross section profile also, no? Yes, absolutely. 30 meters apart we have to check it, right? During this survey, right? One of the survey, right? So which one is correct now? All options are correct only or not? All options are correct only, right? So this is 28. So 71 question you can say, right? Shall I go for? So select the answer. You read it properly. You read the question properly, all of you. Maybe sight distances we can complete in 2 classes, because numerical questions will be there in the sight distances, na? Numerical questions will be there in the sighted distances. Even though questions are lesser, but time will take more, because numerical part will be there. You have to be careful. Okay. Yes, yes, that also everything I'll discuss, right? Shortcut method definitely I'll discuss. Crash course is for learning and solving quickly, na? Open cantilever method, closed box method, all methods I'll discuss, right? Don't worry. So for the preparation of these highways, right? Mostly tomorrow only that part will come. For the preparation of this highway, right, longitudinal sections are required, cross sections are required. Which one? A and C, both A and B both are required, no? Both are required, right? Now this is your 29th question. Today also we are doing 29 questions we are doing, okay? Right, very good. So select the answer. But what is that answer? A plan to the suitable scale is generally attached with the road and bridge project is known as, right? What is that you can say? Site plan, index plan, structure plan, topo plan, right? Which one? Road and bridge project, right? Whenever it is a road and bridge project, what is that you can say? It is index plan, it is index map, right? Site map, right? What is that you can say? Topo plan, right? Which one will be showing? Topo plan, right? The topo plan will be having which one? These all these details you can say, right? Site plan means, right? What is it you can say? For a bridge, okay, site you can have, but for the road, do you have a single site? No, na. So it should be showing which one? It should be a bigger plan showing the topographical details like hill, all these details, and ponds, rivers, like these kind of situations will be shown, and this road profile will be shown, road location will be shown, right? So which one is appropriately correct? Tell me. Which one is more correct? Tell me. Site plan is more correct or topo plan is more correct? Right? Topo plan will be more appropriately correct, na? Is that no? Is it clear? So this is what we are doing, right? So this okay, you said you will be doing it tomorrow, na? So you'll be doing it in the next class, right? Anyone having any doubts? Anyone having any doubts, all of you? So before, yeah, so before I close, right, you inform to your friends, all of you, right? So at present, this offer is going on, 52% off on your subscription fee is going on, and you can get 4 months extra also. Don't miss this opportunity. Inform to your friends, juniors, and everybody, right? Those who are willing to take the subscription and start preparing for GTSC, right? Leaderboard it is not showing, because to show the leaderboard, at least 5 people must be answering correctly. At least 5 people, more than 5 people, 6 people, at least 6 people must be answering correctly, right? Even though all are answering, but only 5 people are answering correctly, then it will not show leaderboard. Only if 6 people answer correctly, then only it will show leaderboard. Okay, at least one question they have to answer correctly. So you just go for this, right? What is it you are having? Inform to your friends, right? So the 6 plus 2 months, 7, 2, 4, 5, 12 plus 3, 8, 5, 7, 8, and 12 to 4 plus 4, 12,000 you are having, right? So inform to your friends. Tomorrow offer is going to end. The general study subjects also we are starting. What is the subject we are starting? So Amit Vijay Sir is starting which one? This is a polity, okay? Don't miss this. At 8 a.m. Amit Vijay Sir is starting which one? Polity, right? KP Sir is starting at 11 a.m. which one? Fluid mechanics, okay? Thank you. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Any doubts, anyone? Anyone having any doubts anywhere? No? Okay. If no doubts, okay. No doubts, I'll close. I'll proceed. I'll close the session. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.